So this goes from I think it's March. Okay, so this is late February uh, to mid-September. Uh, there's AMC, GME, BlackBerry, MVIS, COS, Bed Bath & Beyond, Nokia, Naked, Zomedica, NCTY, CCRM, and CCIV. These are all of these stocks overlaid on top of each other. They're all on the same cycle. The same logic is being applied to every one of these stocks. But if for one to run, say, 100% twice, so from point A to point B, 100% here, 100% here, then the duration of that will be fed into another stock to run. So if it takes AMC 6 months to run, from 100% drop, go back to 100%, then a stock like MVIS, if it's on twice that duration interval or half of it, will see the exact same movement, but with half the verticality of that of AMC. These stocks are constantly being traded against each other. And you can see, as one starts to run, all the others will fall. And your typical market analyst will say, oh, well, they're FOMOing, they're closing out of this and buying into that. I assure you that retail is not buying hundreds of millions of shares of individual stock like this. I can assure you that retail is not systematically timing their movements. Thank you. AMC is not having its movements timed by retail. GME is not having its movements timed by retail in the same exact manner, with the same exact signature as that of algorithmic trading and high-frequency trading. It does not happen like that. I don't have a server that is within feet of the NYSE trading floor sending buy and sell orders that are front-running the rest of the world. I don't have real-time short interest data. I don't have real-time securities lending market data. I don't have any of these utilities. I have shadows of them that are days and weeks behind what they actually are, like the FINRA SI report, the failure to deliver data from the SEC. Both take 2 weeks to get to me. Doesn't matter though, right? Because I'm FOMOing from one to the other in the same manner as that happened 6 months before it. Right. This is exactly what's going on. And by running this shit charade, this puppet show, there is a debt that is being accrued throughout each of these transitions. It's a crime scene. Every day from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 business days out of the week. Every day. And there is a massive shit bomb waiting to go off that has spawned because of this. There you go. Anything look a little familiar? How about right here? This is GME. This is AMC. AMC ran up and fell in the same manner as that of GameStop, but just 6 months. 6 months? No, March to 3 months difference. From March to June. And what have I been saying this whole time? That GME is 3 months ahead or 9 months behind AMC. They're on the same exact logic tree of whether it's routing orders to the dark pool or using your short exempt privilege as a market maker, authorized participant. It's the same thing. You have criminals exploiting ambiguities in the fine print of how exchanges work, of how brokerages work, of how different utilities work throughout the markets. You will find the exact same patterns throughout all of these stocks. And this is a symptom of too much liquidity in the markets and concentration of capital and concentration of order flow. This is not good. This is not good. If you have, and this isn't just in the equities market, this is in crypto, this is in the bonds market, even the fucking warrants market. You can see the same thing. It's a meme CDO, yeah, a meme collateralized debt obligation, yeah. This is what happened in 08, but instead of having meme stocks as your vehicle for crime, you had mortgage-backed securities. And these, it's criminal. It's criminal. And you won't find this video at the top of Reddit. You won't find this video going all over Twitter. You won't find this video as the #1 on the YouTube part of the finance section. This is criminal. This is criminal. And it's going to bite everybody who's participated in it in the ass. And when it does, you're going to have those who spotted it and realized the corruption celebrating for it. Because that will be Moaz. I say this every video, and I will say it again. Anybody who is trying to vilify those doing research, anybody trying to vilify those who are digging, anybody trying to vilify those who are putting in their time, right or wrong, to figure out what the fuck is happening, is one of your shills, one of your hedgies. So when you find a top post on Reddit saying, hey, he's wrong, yeah, I guarantee you that's one of your informational insurgents. This is literally one of the biggest and most obscene informational wars that this country and these markets have ever seen. All of this is information. It's all information. There's a reason why it takes 2 weeks to get failure to deliver data. There's a reason why it takes 2 weeks to get short interest data from self-regulated agencies. Right. There is a reason why it's set up that way. There's a reason why things that are happening in real time take 2 weeks to get to us. The retail trader, the retail investor, the ones who are drinking all day. Right. Unfucking believable. Unbelievable.